Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Sam, I'm an artist, illustrator and all-around crafter coming to you from Dublin in Ireland. This is a different video from the usual. I am going to do a little unboxing slash review slash makeup of a leather craft kit that I just got in the post. I've always been extremely fascinated about leather crafting, although it's always been a little bit difficult to get into it. You need a lot of tools, you need to learn the craft, and the leather supplies, leather materials are extraordinarily expensive. So I never really got to experiment with it until I found online a company called Babylon Leather Kits that basically provide you with all the materials, all the instruments, and as well very well done step-by-step tutorials to make your own leather object. So I thought this was a very interesting and easy way to get into leather crafting and see if I actually like it that much to invest some money in proper tools and other leather supplies and patterns and all of that big thing. So I just got the kit in the post. I will unbox it for you, show you what I got, and we may try to make up one of the objects. So here is everything that I got into the parcel. Unfortunately, we haven't got any real instruction manual or to tell me what is what. We do have a little leaflet with all the details about the company and as well a QR code that I might not be allowed to share with you. It's here on the back about the classes and the tutorial on how to make up these kits. So I got two kits here. One is a male wallet and I assume is this one, and as you can see we get all the pieces, and the other one that I assume is all of this is a sort of a computer leather bag for men, and we got as well a little leather attachment. The first impression that I got is the smell of the leather. It smells so beautiful and it feels actually real high quality leather. You get all your pieces already cut and punched, as you can see here, and as well the zippers, all the handle bits and bobs, and some supplies like, is it called haberdashery? We got, oh god, I don't know what you call it, buckles, and then we have some thread, even a screwdriver, and a little pair of scissors, and as well two little silk scarves to make up your object. So all in all, a lot of stuff. I would say it's quite intimidating, but I'm going to scan the QR code and we'll try together to make this little wallet thingy, and if it works we'll go on with the leather bag. Now on their website you can find a massive array of products from handbags, purses, wallets, pencil cases, anything that you can actually imagine, both for men, women, unisex, you name it. Really, the variety is huge. And as well, you can buy supplies for your leather making. You get tools, you get sheets of leather. But the best thing ever is that they sell template or patterns as well for leather making. So if this experiment goes well, I will so definitely buy some leather from them and some additional supplies. But everything here seems extremely high quality and I'm sure I can use and reuse the supplies over and over again. So let me put everything away, scan the QR code, and we can get started. And here we go, we're done, and it is absolutely adorable. Let me give you a proper look now. You can see how the stitches are absolutely perfect, and it's really good quality leather. You can, of course, shape it a little bit, but I suppose this leather is gonna wear out, or how do you say that? Wear on very well. It's gonna age beautifully. It's gonna have a wonderful little patina on it, and it will be absolute perfection. You get all your slots for the cards and a little pocket for probably driver license or pictures, some space for money or other documents. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm extremely thrilled. Now, the materials that we got, this little piece of canvas, I don't really quite know why we got that. It wasn't part of the instruction at all. But yeah, it's probably for cleaning. I basically got one bobbin of the two left of a thread, and this will come very handy for the future for other project. Is very strong wax thread, so very happy with that. And overall, a great experience. Let me change camera and I will tell you all about how I found it, some reviews, if I would do that again, and so on and so forth. So here we go with the finished project. I started at 2 p.m. and it's now 3:30. With a little break, took me something like an hour and 15 minutes. Considering that I was filming, so changing cameras and all of that, and as well that is my very first project with leather. I think like an hour is not that bad. You probably could make this if you are a bit familiar with leatherworks, and as well if you don't spend your time dilly-dallying with cameras, you could do this like in 45 minutes or so. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really loved it. I enjoy the smell of the leather so much. It reminds me of a very weird thing. Holidays at the seaside. I don't know why. But yeah, it's gorgeous and I really enjoyed working on it. I can't stop. Can't stop thinking about this. It's something that I got just put into this project and I couldn't stop working on it, and the result is super professional and super great. I'm gonna use this so much. It's perfection. So now once again, the company is called Babylon Leather. You can find this online. I will put all the links below in the description. They have I don't know, a Facebook page as well, an Instagram account. Everything will be down in the description. They ship to your doors in a matter of days and have a huge variety of projects, of kits that you can definitely get your hands on, and without having to spend a huge amount of money on tools and leather, patterns and all of that. You got everything that you need. The leather is extremely good quality, as you can tell. I can't stop telling you that it's extremely good quality. Definitely, it's a very good place to buy leather or patterns. For me, absolute beginner, this was great because at every single step I had instruction and visual instruction. I'm a very visual learner. You can get every type of project you want. I have my eyes on a glasses type of box and some pencil cases, but yeah, I definitely will buy another kit. I do have a sort of a computer case as well to build, but that I assume is a much larger project. I need some time to dedicate to it, and yeah, it's great. Now I am going to tidy up here. There's no much mess apart from some threads and snippets of threads here and there. So yeah, even if you are sitting on the couch watching television, that's probably a great project for you. Once again, Babylon Leather. The kits are amazing, but as well they sell everything that is related to leather, and check them out. I am absolutely astonished with how this turned out. I was sure it wouldn't even turn out. Check out Babylon Leather, and I would very thoroughly recommend them. Great first experience, and I can't wait to get more projects. Bye!